Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. This is a rear entry mobility wheelchair accessible van. This is a brand new conversion. As you can see, with either one of these two key fobs, I can operate the power sliding doors and the power rear trunk hatch. The ramp is manual, very easy to operate. I can operate the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Like I said, this is a brand new conversion. You can see how easy this is to do. It has a handle on either side. You can see with my index finger. Take that to the ground. 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to 32 inches down here at the base of the ramp. That's still a couple inches wider than the side entries. That's why I like these. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can tie up to get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner's in great condition. This has got the entertainment center in it. Got the remote up there. Between these seats is 21 inches of room. You can set the the passenger's legs between those if they won't fit all the way in. We can put more narrow seats in. We can put seats that flip up on their side. Let us know what you need, because not all chairs and sizes are created the same. So get in touch with us. Let us know how we can help, and we'll be sure to do that. Dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera and navigation. Dual climate control, real fancy center console in there. You'll notice a little bit of wear in these armrests. We've ordered new armrests for it, so there's going to be replaced. Don't sweat it. Don't freak out. It's going to take a week or so to get here for those. But they've been ordered. We will install those. And also, if you want to operate these sliding doors, you can do it here. And let's say you're going to use this for a cab company. You can also operate them all here. Let's say you're going to use this for a cab company. You can switch that off, and these become manual sliding doors. So they can be electric or manual, just touch of a button. We do give a free set of pull tight Q-straight brand new tie downs away with each van. And you can see when you got everybody secure, put it right back up. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. So I've switched all the doors to manual now. They can be switched back to electric, no problem. The exterior of this van is very clean. These tires are all between 7 and 8 32nd Firestone tires, so they're darn near brand new condition. Tinted windows. This van is very clean. Now, that's what we look for. We want clean titles. We want well taken care of vehicles. And I always say, it doesn't matter how much Armor All or how much cleaning solution you put on a vehicle. You cannot hide a vehicle that's been abused. And I can tell this vehicle has been very well taken care of. Other than those armrests, the thing looks darn near brand new. Very clean inside and out. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. The back seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Very, very clean up here. You got your user's guide in there, a second remote for the DVD. As you can see, the current mile is 71,979. Van fires up first time every time. Currently has a full tank of gas. That will vary, as far as how soon somebody buys it. It's got the backup camera, like I mentioned. Got the voice connect there. Also has the navigation. So this is fully loaded. Now let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. As you can see, I think I said this, but no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS lights, none of that. So let's look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any abnormal rust. These are things we look for when we buy. I don't want something that's been pulled out of a flood. I don't want something that's been in a bad accident. I want nice, clean vehicles we can put on the road that our customers can be proud of and that they're well taken care of. So, and you can tell our competition, they rarely, if ever, show the undercarriage of a vehicle. There's a reason behind that. They buy a lot of these chassis from New York, Chicago, up in the Rust Belt. They buy them for a lot cheaper than I do. Then they convert them and they don't tell anybody about the rust issues. I'm telling you what, I'd rather replace a transmission than have a vehicle with a rusted out frame that's dangerous. That could be if you buy a vehicle that won't pass inspection in your state because of rust, you bought a vehicle you can't use. So that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because the van looks pretty. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume because it only has 70-some thousand miles on it. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume that the transmission is good. They assume that it's not rusted out. And nothing could be further from the truth. You know, 80% of the time you're going to be dead wrong. You're going to get burned. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video like this. If you're going to charge you an arm and a leg for a van and won't do a detailed video for you, then who are you dealing with and what are they trying to sell you? You know, buyer beware. All the power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise control. We tested pretty much everything there is to test on this van. It's also got these little sun blinds in there. A real nice feature to have, especially when the weather gets warmer. Oh, I'm on the wrong window. There it is. Wake up. But yeah, everything works. The power driver's seat. We've tested everything. So this is not some vehicle we bring you in to look at and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about, or a vehicle we ship out to you and it shows up and it's not what you expected. And that's why we make these videos. I want you to know exactly what to expect. So let me get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway so I can give it some gas. You can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift. And you know, you don't have to assume, you know this van runs and drives good. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, we've inspected it. With that being said, please understand you're buying a used vehicle. I strongly recommend an extended warranty. We sell those very affordably with each used vehicle. Accelerates up to about 70 miles an hour, no problem. Steering wheel is nice and straight. I'm gonna set the cruise. Cruise works just fine. And look, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Last I looked on Google reviews, we had 4.8 out of 5 stars. We have over 600 reviews of feedback on eBay. All of those are positive. My point is, we have a great reputation, and there's a reason for that. You know, our videos, our reputation, our prices, that's what's going to sell these vans. We are no pressure sales whatsoever. We'll educate you, give us a call, let us know how we can help, and we'll be happy to do so. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, then they try to hide $500. They call it document fees, they call it tag fees, administrative fees. They make up all these fees that mean nothing. They're just trying to sneak money in on the back end. You know, my question to you is, if someone's going to hide money from you, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding mechanical issues? What are they hiding? I don't know. That's for you to decide, but if someone's going to hide money from you, it's pretty important. Nice hard brake at the bottom of this ramp. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. Also, come back to comparing us to the competition. We get out, we make these videos. I crawl around on the ground because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. When this van shows up to your place, I want you to say, this is exactly the van Jeremiah represented in the video. Also, keep in mind, we do have financing available. We can send you an application to your cell phone. We can send an application to your email. Or we can take one over the phone. If technology isn't really your thing, that's fine. Let us help out how we can. And you can see our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We generally have between 40 and 60 vans, all with detailed videos like this. And I also want you to keep in mind, when you call the competition, you're probably going to be talking to a used car salesman. Well, folks, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I'm not one of those used car salespeople out chasing the commission, bouncing from job to job, that doesn't care if you get the truth, that doesn't care if you get a good vehicle. All they care about is that commission. You know, I'm the owner, and if you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. It's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. If text messaging is more your thing, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to talk to the competition. I want you to ask them, do you care enough about customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah, I have Jeremiah's, he's the owner of Affordable Mobility cell phone number. Let me know how that goes for you. So let us know how we can help. Call or text anytime. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.